Hey G Squad, welcome back to an episode of Is It Worth It? So for today's episode, this cool mission right here, and basically what these are is some chew toy that has a squeaker option inside. If you can see, we got two of them right here. One of them is a dog and the other one is a sheep design. Let me actually open up both of these right here to show you guys what it actually looks like before we test it out. Right, so once we take out both of them, you guys can see that this is basically actually looks like right here. If you can see the way how they designed the actual product, definitely looks really cute. But definitely when you guys feel the material on here, it definitely feels like a high quality material. Like if you guys feel this part, and even this part here, it definitely feels like a high quality material. So if you guys have a pet that's like a dog or something that's super aggressive in terms of like chewing stuff, that's where one of these actually comes in handy. But this is basically what the product looks like in the front. If we turn in the back, this is what it looks like in the back. And like I mentioned, for both of these chew toys right here, they do have a squeaker option. So if you guys just squeeze it, you guys can hear the squeaker inside. It's actually really loud, if you guys can hear. And because of the material that they use inside right here is actually really strong and really high quality. And in terms of how to actually clean the product here, they mention you guys actually hand wash it. You guys can use mild soap and water to actually clean it. And also the material that they use on here is actually safe for your pet to actually chew on. And they also mention when your pet actually chews on this, it's good for their dental health as well. But that is basically everything that's on the product here. Let me actually go test this out to show you guys how it works and when it actually works. And then we'll come back and talk more about the product in a second. Alright, so we got both toys right here. Let's test it out and see how it works. Alright, so it looks like they like it a lot. You can see how well the actual material is already here. It won't break anytime soon. And they like it a lot. Alright, welcome back guys. So now this is a quick test of the product, and definitely see that actually does work and actually works quite well. Super easy to use the product and super easy to actually set up as well. Literally all you're gonna do is just give this to your pet and let them start chewing it. And eventually they'll actually fall in love with it because of that squeaky toy inside. And since this product is so high quality in terms of the thickness that's on here, you don't have to worry about the product breaking anytime soon because of how thick the material is right here. But that is basically everything that's on the product. Now to go unboxing and testing the product. Now to answer the question of whether or not it's actually worth it or not. So for this product, I would definitely have to say that it is pretty worth it if you guys want one and need one of these. Especially if you guys have a pet that's an aggressive chewer. And if they like chewy toys that has like a squeaky option on here, then this is definitely super worth it. But then obviously for those guys who don't want or don't need one or having one of these, then obviously don't buy one and save your money for something else that you do need. So that's basically everything for this video itself. If you guys like this video, make sure to smash that like button in the bottom. That will definitely help this video out and it will definitely help with the algorithm as well to promote more videos for you guys so you guys can see more of the videos or similar videos as well. But as always, make sure to stay positive, be you, and I'll see you guys in the next episode of Is It Worth It? Peace.